Backlash clearances. 1. For mills and rotary kiln drives, the differences between the temperature when gears are set, and the operating temperature must be considered. 2. The table beside shows the amount of backlash, recommended for various temperature differentials, and sizes of gears. 3. The alignment must be as accurate, as it is practical to achieve. Important note. Make adjustments as soon as any misalignment is detected. We follow together. Tooth profile. In this picture, it is explained how to measure method mesh, root clearance.